Hi, I'm Wayne and this is Bassador Woodworking. This is my Shopsmith Mark V. This was marketed as kind of like an all-in-one power tool for the small shop or home shop. And it's pretty cool little machine. It can do drilling, it can do routing, planing. You can have a bandsaw attachment to it. There's a jigsaw attachment to it. You can use it as a table saw, which is terrifying, and I refuse to do it. But I'm going to be turning this one into a dedicated horizontal boring machine. To begin, I disassembled the Shopsmith. This just involved removing some set screws to release the rails from the base. I then marked the pipes where they would be cut with a marker. I first tried to cut the pipes with a powered hacksaw, but blades kept breaking because I forgot to properly tension them. So I instead used the $54 7¼ inch miter saw with a steel demon blade, which worked really well. With the pipes shortened, I could then reassemble the Shopsmith. Shortening the pipes was by no means necessary to make the horizontal bore / slot mortising machine, but it makes it take up less room in my already very tight shop. The table that came with the Shopsmith was too big, so I removed the pipes from the base and replaced it with a sacrificial top. This way I can clamp directly to the tabletop while still being able to properly height adjust the table. My sacrificial top is just some scrap 3/4 inch plywood epoxied to the pipes with a whole mess of pin nails to clamp everything together. To test out the mortising ability of the new rig, I attached a cross-slide vise to the sacrificial top and chucked an end mill into the Shopsmith. I was pleasantly surprised at just how well it performed. In the coming weeks, I'm going to try to come up with an easy process for cutting matching tenons using a similar jig. And for right now, this is all set. It's working really well. I have an end mill in it right now because I was just testing it out as a slot mortiser, and it's actually pretty good for that. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you.